What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Lullaby here. Okay, and it's honestly been a hot minute since I made a video, and I'm so sorry. The end of the school year just got super busy for me, and I kind of had a lack of motivation, so that's why. But if you're keeping up with my community posts, you know that the 20th was my last day of school, so meaning I'm officially on summer break. And oh my gosh, you guys, I have so many video projects planned for this summer. I'm so excited, and some of them are still going to be a secret, but some of them I will be able to tell you guys today in this video. And sorry for the bad lighting, it's literally raining outside, and I'm like, what the heck, it's summer, it's not supposed to be raining. But you know, this is Seattle, so it rains all the time. Anyways, I'm glad to be back, at least for the time being. Which is one of the first things that I wanted to get into, is that it's not happy news, but I think I'm going to take a little summer break, meaning I'll probably just take a week, maybe 2 weeks off of YouTube for a little while, just to focus on things that I want to do, my personal life for summer. If that makes any sense. I'm sorry, I'm rambling. Okay, it's been so long since I've done this. This feels weird. I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm not going to be active for like a week or so. I may post a video here and there, I don't know, but just don't expect me to be posting any videos. By the way, if you were my 1K trivia winners, I am working on your guys' prize, and hopefully it'll be done soon. Oh god, I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll have to see. Okay, next update. Some of you may have noticed that I've changed my channel layout a little bit, and I will also be changing my banner and profile picture. So it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be like blue-ish. It's not gonna really be yellow anymore. It's probably gonna be like maybe a mix of blue and yellow. I just want it to be summer themed, and because it's summer, I'm also changing my uploading schedule, meaning I think I'm going to start uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So that's going to be my new uploading schedule for this summer. And along with that, I'm changing my mascot. I know what you guys are thinking. You're probably like, what? But like, you've had Skylar or whatever, is that her name? I think that's her name. Forever, and I know I still love this LPS. She's amazing, but I don't really want the main character of Promise Me and my mascot to be the same people, because then it's kind of just like, I don't know. I want them to be separate, I guess. So, I don't know if I'm going to show you guys my new mascot yet. I haven't ordered it. I'm going to order it soon, and I'll let you guys know when it should be coming. I'm not going to tell you which one, but I think it should be a Cocker Spaniel, so I'm excited. So yeah, new profile picture, new banner, new mascot. My channel name, my name is staying the same, don't worry about that. Ooh, and yes, I think I mentioned Promise Me and about that. Promise Me, you know the series, I don't know if you know it, but it's pretty popular on my channel, is not being canceled. I'm not going to cancel it, but I don't know when the episode 8 is going to come out. I know, I'm sorry. You guys have been waiting, I think like 2 months for episode 8, and it's still not here. I'm sorry, that's probably not what you wanted to hear, but I'm curious, are you guys even still, like, interested in it? Like, do you guys still want to see it? Because if so, I'll try and work on it. Probably not during my break, but yeah, so I'll try and keep you updated about that. But no, it's not canceled. Episode 8 is just going to take a little while. Okay, so I think I've covered most things. I have, like, I think 2 more things. Oh, one of the things I meant to tell you guys is that I think I'm going to host a summer MEP, so yeah. I'm also going to try to start vlogging more. So yeah, I kind of just wanted like a fresh start for my channel. Okay, but now it is time for the most exciting news of all, and that is I'm writing a song! Woo! Okay, Okay, you're probably like, oh, okay. But even more exciting, I might be releasing my own album. Eee. And I say I might be because, like, releasing an album is kind of a big deal. So, yeah, get prepared for, like, original songs on this channel now, and, like, probably even an album. I'm probably gonna do an album teaser soon, and also release my album name and all that stuff, and I'm very excited, and I hope you guys are too. I'm sorry, I'm so tired, I'm out of it. So yeah, I'm super excited for that. Okay, so I think that's all the updates I have for you guys. I think that's it. I'm probably going to forget something once I finish filming this video. But if you have a question about anything I said in this video, or anything I didn't cover in this video, just let me know in the comments. Okay, so I know I forgot something, so I'm just going to list all of the upcoming videos in the pinned comment below. So, because I know I'm forgetting something, but I can't remember because I forgot it. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go on my, like, week-long whatever break now. So I know I'm probably not gonna see you guys for a little while. So hugs. Okay, that's so cringy. I need to stop. But I will be replying to all your comments, so it's not like I'm gonna be dead. I just probably won't be posting. I'll let you guys know soon about whatever is going on. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys. Love you.